Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I am going to be installing this Billetworkz shift knob into my Camaro. I always wanted to do something with my shift knob, and I didn't realize that there was actually a way to be able to accomplish it without having like the Hurst one in it, which I wasn't a fan of, and I still had the stock shifter on the Hurst. So obviously now that I have the stock shifter back in it, I'm going to be putting this shift ball on it. So let's get into it. Alrighty guys, I'm going to try and do this one-handed. So first things first, I'd like to pull up on this bezel just like this. There's a T25 right here that you get out, and then you'll be able to pull the shifter ball out of the way, and that is what I'm going to do right now. Alright, so obviously now we got that out of the way. I'm just going to stick this back into neutral and get this screw out of the way. I'm sorry if the angle sucks right now, but you just basically have to remove that torque screw. Alright, so now that you have the shift bezel and knob out of the way, you stick it through like this, inverted way, and take your one hand, stick it on the shift knob underneath, and you one by one pry it out around from the bezel like that. It might be a little difficult at first to get it started, like I had to fight with mine a little bit, but it finally kind of just popped like that. So then now the OG shift knob is right here and the boot is right here. So let's see in the next step. You get your billet adapter that you can slide on now, and then I got the retaining ring to try and make it a clean install. So I got the ring, and then the next thing to do is to thread the ball down. Alright guys, I have a 3/32 Allen key here that I'm going to be installing all of these set screws with. I do like the fact that they are all on 4 corners of the shifter. So if it's not perfectly lined up, which mine isn't, to get the shift pattern lined up, the real nice thing is no matter what orientation you have it, you can make it work with what you have. So don't get too worried about where the actual set screws settle. Since you're tightening it down on all 4 corners, it won't actually matter that much. It might bother you, but it doesn't actually change anything with functionality. Alright guys, after breaking the supplied Billetworkz zip tie, I decided to get one of my small lime green, really thin zip ties that will probably not even look much different than this one, but it's what I have to deal with. So let me go get this on the car and I'll show you guys what it looks like as the final product. Alright, so I'm going to install this one-handed here. So obviously the front of the bezel goes, just kind of fall right into place, but the front goes in and then you just kind of push on the back. This will sit down here like this now, and then I thread that down, tighten it up, has that nice little metal ring around it, and shift knob is tight, and that definitely looks clean. It goes with the chrome around the AC vents and everything like that. Let me get the light directly off of it. But I don't think that looks over the top. That's not what I was going for. I really just wanted something sleek and useful. Hopefully all the little things that I've done this winter will add up to something major at the track. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.